So I've been receiving a lot of messages, say for the past 1.5 months. People are feeling uncomfortable, they are feeling unsettled. There's a lot of turbulence in their energy. They are feeling snappy, frustrated. Astrologically speaking, Ketu, the shadow planet, which is also the Moksha Karaka, it is in Gandanta zone right now. Now remember, Gandanta is a very, very important thing in astrology. Whenever a planet moves from a fire sign into a water sign, whenever it is transitioning, it is a very uncomfortable energy. The planet is uncomfortable in itself. It's not in a very happy state. So it will create that kind of energy for us. Right now, Ketu is moving into the sign of Scorpio, which is a water sign, from Sagittarius, which is a fire sign. So the energy is turbulent. The waters are murky. A lot of things are stirred up. A lot of things which were deep, deep down are coming to the surface for clearing, for cleansing. This is needed at a personal level and at a global level. And you will see this right now. It is already happening. Justice will be served. The universe will ensure that justice is served. Whether it's our personal situation or it is the world situation. I've constantly been receiving the serpent's energy throughout the ancestral healing meditation. And Rahu and Ketu, it's like a serpent. Rahu being the head of the serpent and Ketu being the tail of the serpent. And when Ketu moves into Scorpio, it is moving into the original 8th house. Scorpio is the original 8th house, a house of death, a house of transformation. Hence, I've been also receiving a lot of channeled messages related to death. So, death of our old self, death of our old belief system, death of anything which is not serving us, transforming us to create a better version of our own selves. So that is how Ketu's energy is working right now. So be open to this transformation, be open to this change. If the situation is uncomfortable right now, if you're not getting proper sleep, if you're feeling unsettled, agitated, snappy, meditate, go within, give it time. This will change, but this will change after November end. To be specific, after November 24th, the energy will be shifting. So give it some time. Till then, do some work on your own self. Right? So that's all for now. Thank you so much for listening.